Configuration check. The configuration check chapter emphasizes the importance of a few essential steps to ensure stability, efficiency, and proper functionality of the configuration. Verifying the license in the license check, including establishing an accurate routing domain setup, conducting thorough validation with a dashboard check, and performing a comprehensive test call. License check. Before we delve into the configuration check, let's take a little detour to ensure the availability of a fully functional license key of any node. Click on Licenses on the left menu tree. If you would like to test any node without any obligations, the free anynode demo license is automatically available with every anynode installation. The demo license is limited to 4 sessions and sporadically plays a voice announcement. Additionally, the media pass-through and internal path replacement features are not available. Our licensing team is also happy to provide you with more sessions, and you will receive a free LOD key for a personal, time-limited test license without voice announcements. A LOD key is an activation code that you will receive via email after purchase, allowing you to create your final license. For further licensing details, refer to the License on Demand Tech Node, the software upgrade service information on our homepage, or check with our YouTube channel and the Anynode Licensing and Software Upgrade Service (SUS) videos. Routing domain. Next, let's look at the routing domain configuration overview. To view the routing domain section, click on Routing Domain in the left menu tree. You will notice that the wizard has already created the desired routes here. The table displays the routes that calls take through any node. No further action is required in our example. The call's origin is on the left, and the destination is on the right. You can modify the route table anytime, as any node processes it sequentially from top to bottom. Dashboard check. To view the overall status of the Anynode dashboard, you can switch to monitor mode. To do this, you need to change the configuration mode to monitor mode in the upper right menu, and the Anynode dashboard will open. Under SIP nodes, you can check the operating status of all configured nodes. A green status indicates that everything is working properly. By double-clicking on the Zoom node, you can access more detailed information, including the options packets display. The upper value under Received shows that the Zoom Phone Premise Peering Server is sending options packets to any node, while the lower value under Sent indicates that any node is sending options packets and receiving a response from Zoom. You can refresh the values by clicking on Refresh. The appropriate target URIs are automatically set through the Anynode wizard and displayed as transport connections. Under Certificate Issuance, check the successful order of the certificate. Test call. After completing the configuration process, it is highly recommended to conduct a test call and start a trace before confirming that all nodes are working correctly and that the chosen route is functioning as expected. Now, switch to configuration mode and click on Tracing in the left menu tree. For quick access to the trace configuration, there is the option of using a shortcut via the trace display. Simply click on Trace in the top right corner. The display there will also indicate whether a trace is currently active. In case of voice over IP network issues, the communication between any node and the remote endpoints are logged into a binary file upon enabling the Anynode trace function. This file is then analyzed using the Trace Analyzer tool. It is of particular importance to start the trace at the right time. The beginning of all relevant calls should be included in the trace. In most cases, the default values for the trace settings are sufficient. Click on Activate to enable trace recording. Now, start a test call. Switch to monitor mode in the upper right corner and click on Active Sessions to see all ongoing and completed calls. To conduct an audio quality check, Please engage in conversation on both ends of the call for a period of time. Recently disconnected calls are also visible for 5 seconds, allowing immediate visibility of rejected or terminated calls. In this example, we will make a call from the Zoom client to the provider and confirm the proper usage of the route. Additionally, you can view all past calls in the call history section. Now, let's switch to configuration mode again. Stop the trace recording with deactivate. Then, you download the trace file from the server where anynode is installed by using download trace file to save the trace to your desired location. To analyze anynode trace files, TE Systems provides the Trace Analyzer, a powerful Windows-based tool for analyzing and debugging anynode trace files. If you are working via remote access, the Trace Analyzer must be downloaded separately and installed from the anynode server to the workstation. You can also download the anynode Trace Analyzer directly to your Windows workstation from the anynode frontend with a click on Download Installer. The anynode Trace Analyzer empowers you to identify causes of problems very quickly, so you can choose whether to resolve it on your own or alternatively, send in the anynode trace to our technical support. Open the trace with a double click. In the Trace Analyzer, select your session and double-click on it. This will provide a concise overview of the SIP message flow for each individual session, displaying information about combined or individual media flow directions. The left side shows the call's origin, with any node displayed in the center. The center line represents the call termination. On the right side, a completely new and independent call is established with distinct call IDs and SIP headers. Click on an invite to view specific details about the SIP messages. Click on Audio in the upper menu to view the recorded audio. Use Play to conduct an audio quality check. Congratulations! You successfully configured Zoom Phone Premise pairing with the SBC anynode. Your dedication and effort have paid off, and now you have a robust solution in place for seamless communication.